Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to turn off the Show as pop-up feature for Gmail notifications on your Android phone. This simple adjustment will help you reduce distractions from sudden pop-up alerts while still keeping your email notifications accessible. Let's jump right in. First, unlock your phone and go to your phone settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find Apps and tap it. This will display a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now, look for Gmail. If you have a lot of apps, you might want to use the search bar at the top to quickly find Gmail. Tap on Gmail to open its application info page. Here, you'll see a list of options specifically related to Gmail's settings on your device. Next, select Notifications. After you've entered the Notifications section, tap on Notification Categories. This is where you can customize exactly how notifications behave for different types of Gmail events. Now, choose Mail from the list of notification categories. You're almost done. Look for the option labeled Show as Pop-up. You should see a toggle switch next to it. If the switch is blue or otherwise highlighted, pop-up notifications are currently enabled. To turn them off, simply tap the switch so it slides to the off or gray position. That's it. Gmail will no longer interrupt you with pop-up alerts on your screen, but you'll still receive notifications in your notification bar or tray, as usual. If you ever want to turn pop-ups back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back to on. Thanks for tuning in.